Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Hiring Mentor. Well, in today's topic, I and Adrija will describe about what are the job seeking trends. Like what are those? Well, before starting this video, I would like to ask a few questions to you all. Well, what are the latest jobs that are considered in our country? And what are more trendy and what are the jobs that have good reputation? Well, in today's video, we are going to describe about it. And if a candidate want to choose a specialized field in MBA, which field does he want to choose if he want to be in a very good position in future? Well, in today's video we are going to describe about it. So let's start this video, but before this my friend Adrija will give you a brief introduction.
Yeah, thank you and welcome all to Hiring Mentor. So as my friend Saujanya Rajeshwari said that we will be discussing about those skill set which are more trendy at least till 2025 so that you can know where to get a job and to get job satisfaction, and you know that it's not about getting job, it's like you need to get into those companies which will flourish more in the upcoming years. Otherwise, even if you get job, you might lose it because of unemployment. So, according to the WEF's Future of Work Project data, the percentage of core skills that will change by 2025 is 40%, and 50% of all employees will need reskilling by that time. So reskilling is very important. Now, using data from LinkedIn and Coursera, we have made this video, and all the top 10 skills that we will be discussing in this particular video will be based on, they will be quality certified, because you have seen that we have took the information from some really quality certified website. So I hope that this video will be really informative and fruitful to you all. Now, moving on to the skill set, first we have freelance content creator in YouTube. Now Saujanya Rajeshwari, my friend, will be explaining with some facts and data that why you can choose to become a freelancer in YouTube, because it is an online platform and it is not a job. It's a straightforward, like you have your own job or own freelancing career if you have talent. Now, Saujanya, can you please say that why a person should choose to work in YouTube?
Yeah, sure. Well, first of all, let me describe you the freelance content writers as it is considered as the latest one in our country. Well, it includes podcaster, creative writer, and YouTubers. Well, these roles are related to the creativity. Well, let me describe you what is meant by the podcaster. Podcaster is a kind of role where the person will make the video or audio and will upload in famous media platforms. And coming to the creative writers, well, these writers will create a unique content which has so much of value and there won't be any kind of plagiarism. Well, most of the companies will recruit these kind of people. And the YouTubers, I think we all have heard about the YouTuber. Well, there are many famous YouTubers in our country who earn a lot of money from this famous media platform that is YouTube, where they will just upload their videos which has so much of creativity in such kind of videos they create. So this is about the freelance content writers.
Okay, that was wonderful. So, if you think that you have talent and you are really talented in speaking or public speaking skills, then you can definitely choose this talent and make it work in YouTube. Because I think working in a company is better, is more not that efficient if you can work in a separate individual platform. It provides you with more job satisfaction other than working in some company. Now, next we will be discussing about social media and digital marketing roles. Digital marketing has enhanced a lot, especially in COVID times. Now, Saujanya will be discussing about the social media marketing manager and the other few posts related to these two skill set or job.
Yeah, sure. Let me describe about the social media and digital marketing roles. Well, we all use social media every day. It might be different apps, like it might be Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. Each and every individual will use different kind of social media apps. Well, basing on this, there are some certain rules that has high reputation in our country and which is considered as the latest ones. And digital marketing rules. Well, marketing is nothing but promotion of certain goods and services to the people basing on the user usage of the internet. This is nothing but the digital marketing. Well, it includes some of the roles such as social media marketing manager and social media strategist and the growth hacker. So these roles are considered as important, and any person who has any graduation can be in this such kind of roles and can earn a lot of money and be in a very good position as well. So this is about it.
Okay, so this was about digital marketing. Now, moving on, we will be discussing about other marketing roles such as brand associate, affiliated marketing specialists, and etc., which are related to offline working space. Now, Saujanya, can you describe about them with some data and what are the educational qualification a person need to gain these particular sectors or to gain job in particular sectors? Because it seems that these are really a very upcoming and prospering subjects in the next coming few years, at least till 2025.
Yes, yes, sure. I think I have already told you the meaning of marketing, what is meant by marketing. So, in this marketing roles, it is just related to the promotion of goods and services. Like we can observe many activities in our daily life that are related to the marketing. So, in this marketing, there are some certain roles that falls under this category. That is brand associate, affiliate marketing specialist, networking marketing specialist. So, these are the roles that are related, and the people who are in these roles has very good reputation and they earn a very good salary, salary package as well. And marketing, many companies have established in our country, and most of the companies are related to the marketing. Let me give you a fact statement, that is 30% of the job vacancies are there in the marketing. So the people who have completed their bachelor of business administration or who have completed their master of business administration, they can aspire to be in such kind of roles that are very latest and are very trendy in our country, not only in our country but also in different countries all over the globe. So this is about the marketing roles. So the students who have completed their education in their respective fields, they can be in a good position by choosing these kind of roles.
All right. So I think that in post graduation, people who have passed MBA and BBA graduation can obviously apply for this. Now, we will be wrapping up this video till here. I hope you all liked it. We will be discussing about some more sectors in the upcoming next video. So please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to Hiring Mentor and don't forget to hit the bell button and leave a comment below so that you can tell us what next topic we can choose to make a video about. So yeah, thank you for watching.